Canva lets anyone create high-end, professional designs using plain language and intuitive tools. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to generate designs from prompts with Magic Design, navigate the editor like a pro, refine the UI with brand fonts and colors, add dynamic features such as custom QR codes, and export and order through VistaPrint. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get a Canva account. The first thing you'll want to do is click the link in the description to sign up for a free Canva account. Canva, if you didn't know, is the go-to online platform for creating professional-looking designs, illustrations, and graphics. Its drag-and-drop interface is easy to use, allowing anyone to create high-quality work in just minutes. You can create an account by logging in through Google, Facebook, or Apple. You can also enter an email address and a password. Once you log in, you'll get a pop-up prompting you to try Canva Business or Canva Pro completely free for 30 days. I'll opt to sign up for the Canva Business plan. It's free, so I recommend you do the same. You'll also get to try out Canva's built-in AI to help streamline the design process. Follow the on-screen instructions, enter your credit card information, and unlock your free trial. Once you're done, you'll land back on Canva's home screen. There are two ways to get started. Either find a template you like from Canva's vast library, or prompt the AI to create one for you. Instead of scrolling through thousands of templates, we're going to use AI to jumpstart the process. Step 2. Prompting the AI. Prompting AI effectively can be challenging. Here are some general tips. Be as specific as possible by providing detailed information and descriptions. This includes explaining your design preferences. Do you like bold and busy? Minimalist and tame, for example? Tell the AI, be as clear as possible, use precise language, and avoid ambiguity. In truth, I recommend having another AI, such as Gemini or ChatGPT, draft a prompt for you. What better to prompt AI than another AI? My prompt is too long to read aloud, so I'm just going to select Canva AI at the top, copy and paste my prompt into the box, and hit enter. While the tool generates a few cards for me to choose from, a bit of advice: don't blindly copy and paste whatever prompt ChatGPT writes for you. Take the time to proofread it, make adjustments, and get everything just right. As I said, Canva will generate a handful of custom-tailored layouts. Look them over and pick the one that catches your eye. Make sure to take a look at the other side of the card. If you click a design, it'll open the card in a larger window, and you can switch between the front and back. Once you've picked a favorite, click Use Canva Editor in the upper right. Step 3. Navigating the editor. Let's not waste any time. On the left is your toolkit. After templates, we have elements. Elements are pre-made, customizable design assets used to build or enhance projects. These include shapes, graphics, videos, forms, and more. Next is text. This is where you'll add text boxes, change fonts, and tweak colors. There's also the option to choose from some pre-made font combinations to try and make your card really pop. Beneath that is brand. This is a more advanced feature, and we don't have time to cover it today, but this is where you can create reusable templates for your business. Lastly, there's uploads, where you can upload custom images and videos. To edit an existing element, simply click on it. I'll click on my name. That highlights the element, and now I can drag it around. To move my name back to its original position, I'll press Ctrl-Z. To edit text, double-click on the element, and a cursor will appear. On the top center of the editor, you'll see the ability to change the font, text size, color, indentation, and more. Now, I'll select the black circle around the home. That also opens an editor toolbar at the top, where I can change the color, thickness, size, and more of this element. Spend time playing around with the editor and get the card just right. Don't forget the back. Before we move on, here's a pro tip. If you work on the card for a while and it just doesn't look right, some elements look too big and others too small, all you have to do is click Resize in the upper left. Type business card in the search bar, select business card, landscape, and select copy and resize. That will open a new file in the new tab where all the elements have been resized to fit the format. Before printing, take one final step to modernize your card. Step 4. Adding dynamic QR codes. QR codes offer a modern, convenient way for people to instantly connect with your digital presence. By scanning the code, contacts can quickly access your website, portfolio, LinkedIn profile, or any other online resource you choose. Go to the Apps tab and type QR code into the search bar. Select the first app that pops up and click Open. Whether you have a personal or business website, copy its URL, paste it into the URL field on Canva, and click Generate Code. I generated my code on the back of the card. To move it to the front, I'll simply drag it down to the bottom of the page and drop it when page 1 becomes highlighted. There we go. Now I'll move back. I just wanted to show you how to move elements between sides. I'll take the QR code as is and I'll put it in the upper right corner across from my name. Now I decided to keep the QR code black and white since it fits my business's color scheme, but you can actually customize the code's colors. Click Customize under the URL field and you'll have the ability to change the background and foreground colors of your code, as well as adjust the margins. All that's left now is to make your business card real. Final step, exporting and printing with VistaPrint. While you can order prints directly from Canva, I don't like their print quality. Instead, I recommend VistaPrint. When you're done editing, click the Share button in the upper right corner and download your card. Keep all the default settings. Now head over to VistaPrint by clicking the link in the description. You'll have to create an account. You'll be able to log in with your Google account, so don't worry. Now, click My Account, then select My Projects. Business cards will appear here as an option. Click on it. On this screen, click Upload Design. Keep all the default options here and click Next. Now go ahead and upload the front and back of your business card. Simply drag and drop the files downloaded from Canva. But make sure the front is actually the front and the back is the back. Once you're done, click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to check out and order your first batch of business cards. Ready to bring your own ideas to life? Remember to click the link in the description to start designing with Canva for free. And if you use the other link to sign up for a VistaPrint account, you'll get an exclusive discount on your first order. I'd love to see what you're making. Let me know what kind of business you're designing for in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.